spiritual battle between onyankopɔn and the occult kingdom.
By a back when you couldn't.
Number
I don't see no more
one.
koya. Sofodian yatu onto.
Asamna,
Na yedi aba bontire.
Asamna no.
Uyo bad time na wunya sorry ye. It is a warning to the student. Afraid you do a said the wedding yakupon ma afraid you do a said. Menina na me yana afraid ayira. If you say radin say baby adu no. I need to speak. Opianu o kana kwa wa Ghana. Sika die
Basa.
Kokonsa. Yini free wa mame.
Diomuni mani.
Say ni mame. That is the order of the day. Our Ghana.
Sanity.
Sorry. I don't have time for nothing. I have time for the souls. Ekofo passe. Obo say no.
Sanity.
Eno de men fani agro. Ye man ni ye dachi o. Koda no mu ko school no. Omo ni ye dachi. Si ete Ghana. No bia se on kasa. Me kwa de me kasa. Sage sebre de. Me de tuo kakra, me de tuo. Say me no kasa say. Me se siri bi yo mutiba.
Number 1 FM.
Na me ba ko grant interview so again. Mu de bunyi mutibra.
Onu ankasa.
Na me your grant interview so again. Ano kasa be man we ya ne fe po nya ne po ne be da pa John Dumelo. Say John Dumelo, ni di Dumelo. Yes.
Onu a grant interview. Say you betimi aboni din.
Me say da be me say da be nko. Say da me se be nka gay asem. Omunyo omo se munu no. Mini sabi so na asebo fi asese. Gay ne de ba omutumi sia no kwai.
Onu na kasa. Amanfo
Joe Biden so kasa de fa gay no ho.
Number 1
Onu de nya
FM.
na sema.
Efa Ghana ho.
One can you chrome us?
Wa ka fa Ghana ho.
Wa
Na adaya wo do agay for beto Ghana say no.
on me head.
Omo be toto dan.
Obuwa.
Na ene de sofo efa me ko because
Me say obuwa.
ene me main target e Ghana nkoda. So when you join your number 1 FM na utifie. Un join your YouTube. Un join your Facebook. Me ba chowo to di agro. Ene nkoda de me dache. The children of today and yet the future of this country. Say ya
Number
say ya.
1 FM.
Mami obana wo ko school no o meyi. Me be check your mobile. Omo den da enu no mo tia se do asade bia no. Omo di matabido. Enu no so for be they don't understand.
Sir omu hu kwan afa so nya.
Yes, they don't.
Na ekwan no so de omu hu da.
Na be hunu wo. Kobu serade.
Ombe hu an so say ombe hu an so wugina finfini.
Kobu serade.
Wo se me na me call me.
Kobu serade say. Ende de do asade ma ne nkwa. Listen.
Jesus.
Obi ani ba bia nkwa free ba.
Sanity.
The answer nkwa wo ma wo nothing. It is how nkwa no. Se wo tumi musa sa nkwa ne dia. Ba bia free ba dia. Wo tumi musa ba bia. Nyankopɔ ma do asade. Enya the source of his information.
Asam na no aka no. Asam na no.
Afe ba me ko asem no so. And me tumi sa the flow be about time mu me. There is an agenda 1200. So for the number of Ekodado do this year, they want to convert them. For two Jababe, who fear, but sevu, but for pen church, me yin makuma, could so heavy. Me yin makuma, kumini baku free.
Number 1 FM.
Sebi baku free, but how about listen?
But she no one say me before no pay.
And I'm so before me, deba.
Sa.
E before that, me pay piaban. Me tijama na me suma Ghana kwa dada muko school.
De dun kwala no so.
Me say the agenda and then kwada na ko school no ding.
We made me back school.
Me say me be chow no ma omo de be yan kwada no. Iti akwada de ba fia. So wo sa de bi wo de ho a oba na ye no. So are ready. Enu na all confident ase do. Mo no ma body na mo ya kwada mo say ya mo fe. And sometimes time na mo di o wi ase na no kwada no. Mo say ya so so. Mo ye bema. Den na ba mo stop ni ye. Mo ye all confident mo so ye bema. Mo no ma time na mo ye. Onyame ka wasaba mo kasa. Na mo kura mo so bu nim nyansa che Nyankopɔ.
Sanity.
me the sense of the boss said, your family causes an amid. And then part of me say, a battle in a spiritual realm. Yakon. Because I don't know Yakuseno. And Yan is who your battle of fear. Vampire man was at the I can say, Coffee Bright. When the image is singing at your mommy. Listen up the mamma mania. For the number of Conado Pedro to mommy. Who said the Chona Manamau? For the money to mommy. Chona Money to. Let me castle. Books to them at the Mauno. When ya. God bless you. And the bravo. So about the real who said, Debbie Amicasa and Yasad and Macolo. Share the number and you, boss. She had no sofa general share. Less than 3 months when the number of Mupe. Less than 3 months when the numbers of Mupe school.
1,000.
Less than 3 months. It is a bit now. No me fight about Kodana. Me found no out if you know no matter who you know. And yammy and yammy that you know, if you do sorry. Share. Mudamukasi, you're drilling Juana. You're drilling Yakupo. You're drilling Yakupo Maho. Meaning we are sitting in Yakupo the Bible. Or the Bible said, Wasari. And to Baba Yenye. Diaka Bia me Foko. And Yamasabo. And fat Kofi Wasari. Me. Ah. Young girls, we are saving the children of this country. These are the numbers needed in less than 3 months. In less than 3 months, so they are expected 1,200 students to join their society. How can they join their society? I don't know what they do. No man mobile school no. Everybody be chamo kama ako. Na maka se bon tokwa no kofa ba. Everybody na bako. Sa kwada na mo no mo bako no. God is going to face you one by one. When you be face you bako. When you be wuti bia wo fie. This is a time for you to pray for your children. Akoda de ko school ba pa ba no. Akoda de ko school a oya oba. Una wonyim boso be kunu 9 months. Ano da wo yefru e bra wo bra ye. Menya akoda ne ma wiase. Ema wiase sudu for the same akoda no. Omo nyina jada ne say they want to destroy akoda wo wiase. Ghana say in less than 3 months they are going to destroy 1,200 children in our various schools. It will your bataya. This is not a time somebody grow. This is not a time somebody sabunu. Be focused and concentrate on your daughter or your child. If you say any brother fear say, shove here 1,200 and the target. And the body no more day by I mean, sure the more acquire the first one. There are going to be a lot of deaths. Our school. I tell you about the thing you gumanim. Na we ya kwada, we ya maame.
Na akwajibi.
Na ya de achade no tutudwa. Na obot na kwada no poda bi di kakate mo. Sa achade no rescue mu ha. Mu dwane te se de obi samo.
Te se Nigeria.
Me kase te Ghana kwada no. Sa achade no rescue mu ha.
Munwane.
Rejected. Let them sack you from the school.
Abonsan kwesi from.
Me kase na cho. Wo sa abonsan kwada.
Won si from. Abonsan kwada na gina so si from. Ya, that's it.
Me don't try your image singing already. Why would you ready the other time? I want you to save it. Write it down. Na oban ebia no pay oban nyanko school.
Sanity.
Ma kwada ne fa the phone. Na offer phone no MB. Na MB phone no.
Number 1 FM.
Aye Facebook. Aye number 1 FM.
Yeah.
Omia baby I want me you can say you do no power no.
Yeah.
And follow me mum. Ebe screenshot ade na ye beka wasem ye yini mako na nim so bo beche perfume bi de man koda wo school me the perfume ni di nyina ne picture no na wo na beche akoda de say akoda de hunye hwam mo na beche akoda de so bo hunye hwam so ya ba ta de picture no perfume ni to so me say the name of the perfume is here aye o quote perfume mo beche de man koda as a gift.
Number 1 FM.
Adebode ba no I mean, so what me money munya bosawate e ba ne how we are in the end time. Each and every society are working
Oh yes.
They are working tired. They are not tired. So what are we doing? Christians, so no, yenya suffer.
Yada.
No, on so bad about tebe car. You be getting people fighting them.
Oh yes.
But listen, in this time, nyami here suffer about them.
Abba.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Nyanko for this time, we suffer them on them nyami ya. This time, some catch us for the butimi.
Number 1 FM.
And the Christo for the butimi. Baby, we are sick of Seno. When Yami Yanko for my podam, no mercy about the podium and Yanko Pose. And Tokwane Baba, Atibidi Baba, or Yaoni Baba, Mammy Pewana, to me, the bread to me and
yes, Annette.
I'm an anybody on Mujane. After the dinner by Mujane, sweat to the by Mujane, and to a sorry, I will never stop until I am dead.
Yes, Lord.
After Yanko, would the man draw here? No, Obi any car, Bompire, Obi Assassin, but Obi Assassin. What should be Facebook? No, Bompire, God protect our children. Mamma calls some so. Kwame Revenue, Kwame Revenue, Kono. Some all for the boy, Mammy Mra for Kakra, Mammy free, Mammy for Kakra. Uncroft is some Mudu, Kwame.
On two of
and I make catch her. And Quadana that in your mudachu. And Quadana brabo no mabrabo. Bishop catch up. Sao mu NGO phone now mudi ban. Sam conform churches or mobile schools about Chadian. Now who's a certain Richard at the Chubby Coso.
Number 1
But we young
FM.
goes and say. Nay say that trade your faggot crack and a lot of regions. Because I tell Crawford.
I don't know. Started church we
Media be say. Sabu some who no more call. Yeah, Becca, you need to, you need to. You want you will not to be a Becca. After you call, listen, so we are about to have a civil listen. Would your man draw near? None say number 1 of them. No more big catcher says a balloon yedi. A brand soa. Oh, no, Banuka Coma. So for 23. Now I boo, now I do sicker.
Number 1 FM.
Wako toke ko 1,000. Now
so for I tell you the Kaifa to Somami. Oh, your bataya. A Konana Mutemino. These are the gifts. I'm over to school. I don't know Koda. When you tell you, Mammy, the Kai preacher for to Somami. I tell you, Mr. Sacha school. Or Mutatia Quabe 4. Last one, your perfume. Me can was a mutimi okofono money na guas me ka e babo mutiri so
Aboma pampa so
e babo mutiri so
Aboma pampa so
Number
first
1
one ye
FM.
debut aye
first one no mo ba chanie
omo maami aka chom so we omo dito
they are going to give it to the children for free. I am telling you omo pake go mutem Ghana for mo sorry about time sorry me ko fa say na I am in the camera for one can be a man Ghana. And was at the corner of the day and a Macassa or be a cabi mamma. But the Radin couple of Cassa on the radio will super the whole Ganate. Would your man share my Jumadi way in Richie? I'm not packing your good damn. Packing your good damn over the now. In class for the column.
Number 1 FM.
we I bet it be boom.
What a be you okay? Where was your Facebook? No, where did you tell Baba Chay? Jenny Kanye. Me who yara me raho who yara sofo for the occultic kingdom abran tell me say evangelist mudi agro na say dey o say sofo mo bo say me shem o say yes o say me sha sofo ene de wi amusi wo mo ho a na mo bo e no me ba mo fight bo sa do ma no enyina ena say enjai ana mo wo mo ho na me ka tell say me I have no time say me wo bi
Number 1
but no
FM.
time some fighting the occultic kingdom she say no mo yente kobu ha
enya
no mo ko taba Ghana koda
enya djuma
no omo say say ramu ewo sa ase ye na yi for the kofa ya kofa Ministry of Education ye be say kwacha de na Ministry of Education approve I am urging the Ministry of Education. I'm not warning. Yes, I am urging them.
Maybe I want them.
You are there?
I warning them.
I warning them.
Yes.
Okay. Me na me catch up say.
All the
Number
work
1 FM.
TES. Ghana mame sa se free esoro ho
ɛsoro hɔ nom
me ba to te wunya ntwade wo da ma wo fa wa dwade yen they are going to start less than 3 months omu yin koda kwa 1200 first atege ne part sanitary part you are going to give it out uyo batai na ba free school ba no kuta sanitary part jeshino wo ska betuma to bia ma no nya de de che school me the chopper ke se pa na me the Ministry of Education Ministry of Education me the form say MOE na adreni sad yaba Ghana Education Service GES it MOE and GES and to us evangelist emre bi etabu say omani body a onyame na yini so for so ko mani kokko
sanete
ade na asofo nyina ko bono to we are suffering so beka de kura me tag me o tag bi o one tag bi o I don't care I know say je me ye tuma man no tag me
For sure.
I don't know what tag
tag
what just yeah dika ye hu fin de da what tag you na person ye yenso ye da form
I am so me tro challenge when your ma Ministry of Education
yeah
this your time some don koda na never accept any gift obi oni propose ebiaba ebia na Ministry of Education no sorry Ministry of Education yes Ministry of Education ebia no monte na dread sad about GS na omo na be sa aye distribution uyo bad time pa na yakopɔ to mu uyo papa bema na sa gift we ba na wo ye adwuma o GES na wo je sa de tum say
nyame betu
yen kɔche aye sanitary pad
onyanko
e for my student me papa chawo edo sade ba mun kase manka ma boga na fokoko pato mun hwe ye mun hwe ye omu ya jomo de betwi nyame ma enkoda no na target achade mu no mo de benya enkoda me se achade o o ya enkoda so no ni ji achade wo school ma hwe isa bay full we school mu na enkoda na esu ade no abay full kwa
oh yes
isa enkoda na ko school no abay full ma me wota ko de school
enam sa achedi wa
abay full ko de classroom na teacher se dia na me bon pai ba mo teacher di bon pai okoja wa class 10 sit no bo akoda do ukoda na akoda ba so
Obebo.
yes
So your man.
Bon pai so I am urging the Ministry of Education and the GES na Ministry of Education wono spiritually we no be a fight ho me wo no be a fight about them nko ho it you can show we one suffer me catch Ghana for mutimi the first gift and no mo beche obu obenya sanitary pad onya de ka ho bi obu oso benya de ka ho no onya we bi e man de benya be ma de onya we bi
Number 1
it's
FM.
the agenda less than 3 months they need to reach their target is 1200 me wia prisons me de body so ba a chede be wura Ghana prisons to convert a lot of prisoners to Freemason eba and now suffer to be ko prison ko preach yenye sky to be for ko prison and yama kwa ma all for the be wura prison o say ya mobo
yeah mombo
money na wu na mo de te Ghana musika na mo nya bebebe na wai for ko prison you call the next gift
Number 1 FM.
go back to the next gift afedi abata de mo wudi ka me se gift no mo beche no ba ko be dia to so ye dai sanitary pad
yeah
they are going to give it na no dia ye adwuma no mo se bu koche bi mu che bi wo Ghana
Achewi.
mu ye de ba bone for pa
akwari ese ye hwe ne pop up akwari
mu koche bi eti na se di sia so agenda no mo be nyina na nya wawa
Oh, there.
pad no mo be che na nya wawa
Any sex education of the real school.
Yo.
Ninya agenda.
me da se me ba try the next one the school screen so no but the listening nyina eba these are the next these are the I can say gifts are omo be che enkwada no school mu utie number 1 FM 105.3 uko YouTuber pa GH and the class media group Facebook no number 1 FM 105.3 and I would say mega that radio near 105.3 and the Frobi no be Frobi share Juma the catch it because say a dua sorry a class media check Ghana mine Ghana boy The be amekase. I am not here for my own interest. Sabuha, come to the massa, but I am for the interest of this nation. Baby, I say no. Mammy Eddie, I'm a friend of that. The next gift, and you, when no one will not more, when it year, on the Sassy the flip, we know primary and JHS. I'm going to bet you some more winning now. Their target, and your primary to JHS. Pardon the senior high schools. And now something to for JHS, senior high schools. The rate of mobile tested 2 parts. And yes, number 2, somewhere near the target.
Number 1 FM
of primary schools and junior high schools. I want to target them. It's all about time. And my father saw what you say. Baby, the 8 me and the Muko school. We are about Flabedi Kakaba. So, Biba school. So, what the check partner. Capture the say, Umami Tobiaba. Don't accept that gift. I know the occultic grouper. I know them. Me Papa Chawo. Many Momo. I know them. Don't be a victim. Don't fall into a victim. Gano Koda. The best one is you. And no a mass set.
Number 1 FM.
So what tell the dear? And then I need 300 friend say mathematical set. And then for the mass set. Who your bataya? Mass set. They are going to give it for free in school. Omundo maye ediafa. You see it as a gift. But deep inside them, they know say they are not giving you a gift. They want your soul. It will be pacho. Mommy, the next one. You call it Mommy, the next one. Monya, perfume no. Perfume na me di di mom no me chaba kodado. Wo de mom bo. Sa perfume na.
Number 1
FM. Mama bo. You are going to give a kodado. Now kodado ko school no. Asobo kwen say. O me say that say oh. And kodado bi wa. Omu ni omu uni. Eti I was say.
Personal hygiene.
Yes. Aha. Ti I was say de sure. Any perfume egugu omu ni atsebo ya. Hey. Fasa 7 to chai. Mama, the next gift. The next gift no. I know they food. In Riane. They will come to school. No money kodano. Abesebe get together. Yeba be did ye be
Number 1 FM.
And there's another target. Kwame not to say. Me da se. Oh no money to the fifi mama. Papa no tu no. The next gift to do food.
Okay.
Na no kwame see the gift to the say food. And the kodano mu twe ma mu pa didi na. Mo num kwa yi free no. Boss yako ye wa koda bi wa adwani bi owiase bi obedi bi. Aje se wa hu. And for now, if it na koya no, and koda no nyina na awofo no, mo monitor system ni mu. They are going to use foods. Omeba school bu ho. Omo ni koda ba be games. Na omo de afa aduane mu. Aduane no mo ni koda ni didi say ye didi. Say ye didi get together. Through that, and omo enya and koda no ekra. Through that, now koda na kra no eba be ye omo dia. 81 me catch some the sanitary pad. 2 omo at the mass set. 3 ebe ye aduane. Me ba to monya perfume no mame. Monya the image. Ay, na mi shramo.
Ba won say ade ba ko ese ye ma wofo ne te ase na wofo ni hu say ese se omo che omo manom etenase nipa bonefo do so wiase nipa bonefo ado so wo ewiase a yetim sisi a womo de enoma bi eye sacrifice womo pa ye man ekra sa padi ya ye kekan sa asem wese nyina no sa padi omo pemujamunufu omo pe virgin girls enkola na omo ye virgin no omo promoja e de ade what I say enti ye tu a wo follow for na wo kasa say your friends owofo bi eba bi di ade onye me nyense no me je ko school mu ho na chicheni o ma kwan Emma ye de sa ade ne ma me ba no na ba ye menene de anu na ba ye asem no menene de na ye ba ton fia ko school mu ho teacher for no so mu to o mo fo because ye ke omote what I say uye chicheni a ye de ye ba na ba beja wo what I say enti ye careful say me ba na me dina abeja no se me ntop ade ma no mento ma set ma na eye me masade
mo catch omo
eye me masade se me to de ma no woni kwan se wo ma kwan emma ye obi eba se oba betade masoma na de che masoma na de che ono hwe ono womba na obi atete ne ba adu sei na chese won say ekwere mu yeso sansanfun so o what I say yeso sansanfun so
obi aka me say last week omo ba school kofobi ba school mu JHS1 ebe che omo ma mosquito net is that the chance as you
edu
obi da send message no
edu ho
me say the NGOs are going to
say na oman ye pe bibia free free sir
until free na akosigation no
eno ne asem no
more gold
yeah
more diamond more timber more cocoa now you manya oil
yeah
and no man still your bread
yeah sofa
it is say no obi na mo kwaji ska free ni chan no ne mra ana mbedi so now kwaji ska free obi chelo guy say scanner wo de mame no ye we asabi scanner ma osof onye.
Oh yeah, and
because who this guy
say you call China for say
yes
omo mu nyankopon na omo som no ye ya twa Bible mu say thou shall not worship any other god apart from the one and only King of Kings no enti sade a omo nyankopon na omo som no enye ono sa nyankopon no na emma omo sa enye nyame a yesom na emma omo sa omo ahunya de na omo sika na omo ade enti Jesus yakoyi sa part of the inner free Bible num na ya besom omo nyame no ansana
omuti so no pampa so
won
COVID-19 ba ye
gave for the Moscow
COVID-19 ba ye COVID ba
omo world be minim se saka
sika
Olympics
no omo ni sika nche nyankopon omo sika me say ya Ghana ma o chese Ghana pani bi obedi sa adwe anim na chese eno mahu a say omo ma ye ni ehia yebedi ehia emom say yebeye nyankopon bone what I say yebedi ehia COVID eba ye woma ensum nyame ye friends countries a ensum nyankopon nyina onkope babro achi kwan including China no mu nyankopon no wen na oman kasa enyankopon no ewen enti ye tu awofofo etu etitafofo mo ene yedi ye man abejam mo nya hweye na enya free bia na ye papa wo enya free bia o say ene na wo kan say on be fa NGO so aye say oh ye domo ene be chama
eno na na no ye say hiti o school mu NGO for teacher mo me say mo dia e ba ni say na ye me ye say me di ka bo hu da ro che sha se sha for na amonte na no ye so be last time
yeah
ana me board ro hu ofia
yeah
ana say NGO for che
yeah
mosquito net
yeah che
mo to mosquito diaper
diaper
ya the picture be wi abama kwa be mabam gay for no so for bo hwe ba me afeye ko mo try perfume no mo ba che wo ye perfume mo be che no school we dey listen nyame so omo pe enkodan ko 1200 nyame ya do me see the first day of March conference na ebeto dwa
okay
e wo Ghana ha
okay
there's going to be a convention convention ka se pa wo Ghana ha hey adawa will be pay me kaya na kwa me enya me to so na kwa be say ayes ada kwa me match be pay
oh we dey say abakra
match be pay
o match be pay
ana mo say be chabiem confirmation aba
o match be pay we dey
and for the other screen no so no
o match we be
kwa me di class em say ye dey beto Sudan no Kobe Bright ni fadi Kobe Bright Kobe Bright fadi dini to soro ma me perfect ni dini sabe ni to soro anane dini mu hia we na ni kala sere mu hia
we no bi no mu yusu we a
ye dey beto so no kwa me say I say what and I want it
me say ya
na Kobe Bright mu nya fa to so
me kan ka sen go for say ye hwe
o mu da so wo mu
say ya mu fi ha pa sa
awoda so ma na say me
e de ba mu o mu nyi mo Where se Kwame declare
Number 1 FM.
some of them
Aha, on the go.
Kwame sacha wadwe.
But nana
Kwame
Kwame.
adwe sacha na.
when the
Enyame.
Kwame declare was somebody did. Oh, you the free.
I declare there was sakra. I declare
Enyame.
ba Kwame kwa was sakra kaka.
Adwuma no.
We no mo di nyomo pa.
Sir,
Aye.
me nya nwuyo enu ya na beto be na
Yeah,
so.
we there.
Enti pafi we no mo so mo kwache the school.
Aye, we no.
Anya woni mu bibia ka wasem che fie for. Woni mu bibia ka.
Ehu we wonya yusu ya o de so obi se onji ndia onji hwindia onyusu on for so no onji no yusu we onya yusu first dream or best or day or best pan so obi fa no
Hey,
first dream or be encounter
because me nya fa to so na wo ka say the neighbor to so no ebeye water as a water yibi.
Yeah.
Tie to so a na say you have knowledge.
oh I know about this enomo de omo de puli I most of the youth majority now each region omanya kran they want to get about 3,000 to 4,000 souls each region.
Enti hey ene shaka Yakubu say ko yi perfume ba yo.
Number 1
Yakubu de
FM.
shira de sasa na ma we de nya ya de abawo.
Yo.
Edika edu asare ma mu tie number 1 no be se mu perfume ne to ho. O te fie ya dai.
Na and also ehwampa o.
Me de minimum mi hu bi da.
Very 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 powerful eyi pa.
Etine se Kwame Seka nyame anka ya nya wonim die bi. Ama okofo na reveal am ye nya. Am ka de fiase a etietie se sa na kora ni nya. Na ye che.
I didn't know chest spray. Oh, school because product ni nyina omo use demons ni use.
Number 1 FM.
To me kese pa omo to me kese
Rapper spray.
Sa.
Yeah.
Product bia to me
Powerful it me
kese
ye
spray.
enya pam fastest.
It na ni spray na mo de ma oba na
Spray.
den kum na mo so kum na no.
Which
Tell
means
on
Enu ti na me share aye GS. Say they should watch out.
nti yo say only
I
Drake
do
from
because
use
Yeah,
Mama
that's
trick
it.
no.
Drake omo use ni say opese o chere so wo game na say on pese odi na no be kan say won na chat ya wo group bi mo bon say or the rainbow colors ya mun study sa de no
There be no the ye nyan ko ge ho. Ye wa.
and America no so this is a link of them.
Number 1 FM.
It is still through their trend nti omo de sa colors no eto ase as no chat ya ubon so obi the message abeto no de sa colors ni bi ato ase wadua ne say oh just a yibi efekeke no de ato ho no bente sa
So for be pass the back school the perfume.
oh obenya omo because
Ya be no mo kwada no bebre pe.
because I say we ya can won it will surprise you say piate but still they'll go ahead e bet say I say wa sorry ho so wo kai a minim say who steady Friday na bia na why too busy but one steady atari ani aka wasem
Obi she
bi di buy minim
No,
say
it's a corner Muslim.
and the deliverance na fa baby na okwakoto o manche na
Can it tin na papa.
yo enti obite but still
Omo bu mi ni.
wabu nani egu so atari a de beto wo obi ehun utumi say otie ye utumi say ohun ade ana ye ka ho asem no na so nipa na yire kokota hye de ba sorry
Ayesoma na munya no mani tin sho.
enti we are saying it but when nyame ampata na nyame amane anko deep within their soul e bet say ye hwe nsu agu buo so no sa na be because they are
Number
working
1 FM.
and they have big men pushing them and they have issue
Omo wasika o. Saji was no mo be chesa na mo school no.
Yo.
The way they have this money no. Yeah, there's a Christopher Yenisko. Let me tell you. Pepe. You see, these people they have body. Omo na sase we na yomo dia.
Ba me say omo yale a omusika enyom ne hwade.
Oh,
Omo eyale a omusika enyom. Won say adano ofre ba ko bi enana o ka say baby a wakodu no num so benya owuo so tumi. Okay.
Number 1 FM.
But ohun say baby okodu tumi a yede man ni nyina echi no wenya owuo so etumi. Eno na ama ene wo jai. Eti say omo yale a omo sika na enyom.
spray we there ehu mesremo ma mani bro spray we mesremo mo hwe spray we bia no mesremo pray for your kids so ebe ya say wa boka wo ba ho ama na ko school abi wi anka ese say oba behwe wo na wo so nsa tumi ko wa no tumi e ma wo so wenya nije bi ansa we free asase we so no na wo san bebre akotie sika wo hospitals ama wo ba because the two nyina say won because we omuntumi wo omo yesa normal we omuntumi wo omuntumi wouldn't know they basically say they only adopt kids because omuntumi wo me the actor bi ba ma wa who say actor na wo yem be show we amafo be dress we free scene num but on free scene num the reason why ye hu ni be me bi dress say we wu no ohui wa kwa me yadane no oba o be ma ne ho ye ketwa bi sa wa kwa me yadane no oba enti ye hu no wasi num biem but ohui ebinim say wo wu ebinim say onti ase on say bibi ato no o mu hu no biem ni di kra ira ba me the picture show say na wu na be ka say hey ampa ayo no a wadane ho oba wa kwa me yadane no oba Ghana ni akapa na komo omo yi kuma wu fo ihu bi amanfo dwe free so kra because waye normal amanfo dwe free no so kra o be bia se ni duru no we want to me wo that you want to me wo I want to me wo no
wa teachers ni bebre send message say papa you are ready for them
Number 1 FM
yo enya ano keke o enya ano how you will be able to stand firm enya ano no because enkrofo we pressure mo de ba no enye fedi agro
omeba school mangaza kaso mukuta
na wo no ma mo de ba wo yem teacher ni kwa wo je hu mo no na mukura na wo be gogo untumi ye hwe
enye teacher ni bi
openyi bi that impacho openyi bi ba krom ha be ka asem bi Ghana for ye fa no tra o ka asem bi say the world will not go to Moscow. The world will not go to big countries, but they will all come to the center. Center no, and also Ghana. And I'm bomb say, hey, if it will hold, it has to be in the center. It make a symbol has the world center no, man we Ghana. And our center of Ghana, and so Kentampo. So why? Evangelist Beka Asembu has a for Bekaya. Why is it that omukwoti sa okot e was sa temp Kintampo hodo? And why are they bringing it in Ghana as the center of the world?
Mesaka Kintampo asase ni nyina.
Number 1 FM.
Greater class maybe o mesi nyina asase ni say ayo secured. Ekroboa. Now no Kofi Bright frame evangelist. Na one night nam so anadubio oso papa bi yiri sa wo drive na say ai menam sababo me pa menam yenenamu sa etefotie unya ntwode number 1 na ye ne abrante bi di komo ensem bi a ebobaba no abrante na nkasa ye witness etu de terradio no tie di ensem bi ebobaba awo kana sami resi bi aba no ensem bi wa
Number 1 FM
tie number 1 FM ni nyina ye nya kwa jefa ba ye kra abrante na to say
radio dom ne mo pai bo bibia boko na mo so
nyankopa dom na for security reasons no membesa wudi ebeto dwa ama me why
let me tell you
who want to tie bi the fa adicha ye beche ni school sumo ana
adicha no ye beche no within this term before term ne be kone ending
uka se ye beche na chese eye uka hu bia na
under normal circumstances like mo share baby I be teacher no before me be break it out. So for the next 15 years meaning baby I be child na call and baby I mo be start now. So me will fair idea for their partner.
Tio for millions of people and 80 number 1 FM. Na menimsa say no so eye enkwaje station. Adebie kabia no ye penetrudo ennekure adeche na mo be chede ye nyina be gu school wa hunya njo ne ye no abrante be brifie mo eye ade a mo ye ready some be cha na some de be hu na Ghana nkwada.
Yes, started last month say beche Ashanti region and your mode Ashanti area, central region, which is Asen area, they call Adamse for no, Astarte or Modie, North Astarte or Modie. So I did your one Astarte already.
Ah, I have 1 minute sadden.
Omo is so strong to the extent that even I was saying a lockdown crime.
Number 1 FM.
Because of them. In Tinyamba. Omo are very strong people. And don't forget that Sanko for your mobile charge already no to school than where Eddie said. So they are very strong. NGO, but Omo are very, very strong.
And today say I was saying a lockdown ever, but spiritually go find hold you on.
Oh yes, because I don't know mobile channel and then Omo stakeholders no and they know it.
Number 1 FM.
Now, a jeba didn't quite a move per Ghana and quad down. Are they?
Said you almost say a full crap or multiple. And it's almost so a pepper almost fast or moving on multiple.
Hey, and no map our phone no at minimum the main KBMCCA. Sa all group no moop enti mubuta ya pa yenya muday.
But I say moving young for na say obon sam no nya de pa bi de ma obiao. Say no one of course because
Number 1 FM.
So no buta ya ade ba ko obesay.
Eti enomani bi maybe bo bi su enomani bi ne say. Omo
Enomani be a part. Be a spray, be a mathematical set, and even you have the mom T-shirt. This T-shirt almost started 2013, and almost the mom a red T-shirt. Obi Okwa school behind in this particular T-shirt. A red T-shirt.
More T-shirt to be mammy.
Obi Okwa school behind.
Number 1 FM.
The American a red T-shirt. A red T-shirt. And come on, Momo for a buying school.
Obi Okwa school be a much a T-shirt. No.
Yes.
A red T-shirt.
Yes. And I did where I make sure they don't care say within the next month or maybe change all this I can't read this. I didn't know another.
Son of me,
yes. So under normal circumstances, you better idea to see one. Any question with you.
Number 1 FM.
Don't forget, a minimum super with genuine heart or mobile charge, but they are saying 100%. I think of only 10%, 90% Nina. Hey, yeah, Papa.
Hey. Eti na say no, sem koda ne gi ansunsu so no spiritually any say.
And koda ne gi a esu bia ne ade bia ne esu ensunsu so. I think say a banner say part there. You all know ensunsu and koda ne be. And then the mathematical set no mo de ban. Ye true.
Number 1 FM.
Ewo ade bia ba ko bia so. Omo ankasa omo word. The more I will pronounce that word more than 3 times, and it is believed that when they give it to you, students they are back in time. At least we use that word 3 times. Then it is confirmed. So what you don't forget we can't attend the it is confirmed. So what you are doing, so this is the way I move far. I'm going to convert it in Kalani to a more than kingdom.
Nese ubetumi akyerɛ sunsumu deɛ
Number 1
pa sɛ dɛ wo kasa bi hu sɛ abrante na ɔkasa no onye nipa hunu bi sa na kasa wonim deɛ wo wan kasa no woyɛ dɛn
Ewurade adom na meka omo ho yes na meka omo ho kwa the whole of the African 54 countries na me the second in command.
The whole Africa 54 countries now you're the second in command.
Yes. Me come no after 8 years and Kwame Dinka ebe join so Kwame beto me wo so me thankful for me but nyame adom me nimu bia.
Number 1 FM.
Eti Kwame Dinka so ukom 8 years Kwame so beto
me patcho an Kwame beto mo.
Eti oba na wo ye kase che no.
Me patron.
Kwame Ozi say
we the mentor no cry me pay you
oh you penny pa oh
boss man no
tinesa asemo ka nyina no they mean it
yeah until we be sha me share that mamusa t-shirt no but man fan ba omo share that the tay until na yeso yam fan to so no okay
t-shirt no udi ama bright
send the t-shirt be the man sometimes
we brought to was t-shirt ready bi enti ye be pa wo fiase enti abrante e say no na je say
1 FM
wo mu but wo free mu na say ade bi omo de baba bia na say na wo mu danti no unim
When you're planning a normal, a 2 which is 22 years, you're programming normal 22 years. This year, no, I'm for the next 15 years, I ever done because mission 7 years. So for the next 15 years, I ever done. And normal, when you're programming, so let me predict for the next 15 years. Normal, I ever done. I mean, at the end of the 22 years.
Na say ti mumu okoti kingdom no musi shadow man to
Le patron.
Eti mami musa we no ayade a omo target e won koda no mu ene say nipa do se no mo pe
They treat youth now because
mu treat you to ni nyina
yes, and Penifone can be to say a choir in the Uncle Tony as an choir who youth need the future of kingdom. And I'm because 54 countries, African in a year, the year conference and our Ghana Hanamo, our match we are. We now your strategy, I better the betting.
Number 1 FM.
We now a strategy, I the betting. A youth in
ejebenti me bo ejebenti na mo yes Christopher ye ni ahode anase dey anase akwadro na
sabi Christopher mo Ghana yesi Omo no mo be kon obonsam no mo anka say twa mo no mo ko with unnecessary things like cars and Christopher no Ghana Christopher no 99% in serious agro ni nkwasasem na sabi eye bi ni mo de Christopher
Number 1 FM
upo mo ye serious pa ye fa Christopher di kan upo mo ye serious pa e Christopher but you mean baby anka ye mu bi no akwa ba and you can never stay 2 hours without praying so wunni mo Christopher di agro
Tientu na posoma take disadvantage some we ni enkoda no.
Omo nya ye be ya mamu. That is it.
Ye ya twe koda na konya mimu amu matwa kwa maye.
Ye be that is it. Omo nya ye be ya mamu. Eno omo asori ye ntie give for ye ntie.
Number 1 FM.
Give for buy ye ndeba. Give for buy ye na ye mu bi nko omo wo ye. Enti no mu jai. Sa omunya atwum no mu nhwe so mbo mpae no mu nsum ya ni omu anya omu aso anu pa so mu ba.
They say Yahweh they are going to take over this country and answer the world.
What there from enda kwesima share accident die besi and should be adeni besi.
Me wa list ni nyina wo manimu ha.
Okay.
Number 1
FM. Accident na o confirm say nyina no. Me wa list nyina but and then me dey atame twa kaka kire ko no. But then dey akiso for se be bompaye. Mu nyuma ne be stop.
Okay.
Na yenhwe enti ebe ye adwuma abata for no nyedai because said master teach me
evangelist me dey me ni eduro bia campus bon eno pani ade me ehunyam wo ba kosu a wo dey announcing aye Christopher ye pe agro di pound empai board that is
Number 1 FM
so be kwakoji abinfo nko ana unnecessary things that so baba again empai board Bompire na time sanitasa say we could see a day we encourage said Ghana for your pet 3 things they do. Nothing is free in this world. Nothing. The DNA one of my edema free. Our bakasa bompire man na funny killer and
eti eze no makach mami atese said the okot kingdom no ashase ebeche no ma mo beche nnuane mo beche pad musu ba shase kura bo
Omo ashase.
it is a Greater Accra dey near that bay.
Greater Accra probably Friday, this Friday. So they are making in GDA this Friday on the left.
Hey, next year what Greater Accra say no, we should watch out.
Yes. Thank you for me come with them. Omo young kwala, omo ye very strong to the thing. Omo ye very strong go. School then omo sisi Amagana for. Omo ye very strong say omo betumi catch aban.
Number 1 FM.
Yeah, baby, they are very strong.
Omo to be catch aban say yenye lockdown.
Oh yes. Omo ye very very strong.
Tinese ka lockdown be baba to omo na stop here.
Oh yes. Sai normal make a show in omo warehouse I was Spintex Road when I was at omo park one.
Wano yi. Eti sa no man nyina warehouse no e was Spintex Road.
I was Spintex Road. We do kasaprekwa.
Eye menchechim eye.
Number 1
Eye
FM.
o de wano. Sa o de wo mu tutumi but me srew. Enche kwa na se ekofo akoma. Eti ese warehouse nyina eguo. Na me be say ye hwesade we. Omo the books be so e ba be che wo school.
Yes.
Na books no wo de uni ase de ba be say o hwe ade kakra ma me.
Okay.
De mate ne se books no eye the money books be no more than ye chire.
Yes.
Number 1 FM.
Ana me boa.
Yes, book no yes 6 and then 7.
So for bato wo me ba. Wo fie no bato. Book we na ye be ka wase ko be right. Book do ye chire ma me. Mama me dey print no, but dey church 7 books 1 me bato fato so ba me unya journey wo Facebook kwa wache. My country said the world is getting to an end. And no more consofo. E someone who say you to do na your target. So for any book will be mama me there. What will not journey when na branch be ka wasem. E koye ye fa so eye books na e ba system ni nyina no. He is aware. I am telling you, branch to Jala no so. He is aware. Jimike we
Jesus
ya the book na to so ya the books ni bi to so ba ko na da so no the 6 and the 7 book of Moses.
Okay.
Ya the list e did nyina ba
book no me ba me ndie me page obi a odin be 77 page of this particular book. It is believed that
Number 1 FM.
Any question can be page. Let me leave this page out because
who remember
will be a leading into distraction. So it is believed say we page it do a zero we will be automatic as you can never. And I did me call boys who me call this other college. I did be at those time now power campus. When you read this thing, a big deal with me. So I saw for me the require a UC. Oh, you should book the journey. Bet me have Bible with this of verse there, and that is not prophecy. So,
Number 1 FM.
And then almost the change cover no pay cover in a big change no I to textbook. And don't forget that you're the one more subject ever can follow subject.
Hey,
ever carry this thing, this particular thing. You're the one more subject. And then the book near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Your books ni wa wunya journey ye no aba pacho jasoma me ye the books ni nyina be show e wo screen so wunya journey ya be save images ba bia kono enyi number 1 FM so de be ka do ko obi anka
Number 1 FM.
Ghana so for onte because be for do nyina ka ho bi asofo de akire ministers MPs assemblymen nyina amam propaganda nyina de akire
no akotena baby
me how me ba talk me the next list sorry the next picture ye be book no e say about book no dey to so no ba ko dey the 6 and the 7 book ye wi no me ahwe the new subject no mo dey ba no na yɛsaka book bi a yakɔ sɛ ɛda bi mu ɔba print books bi agu hɔ
Number 1
na no so aka wasɛm de akyɛyɛ momma yɛ the next book no ɛgyabɛnta to aso ma yɛde the next book no so to so
So that book will content na wo mu no eno na wo mu but omunim say bi nim book we so or more print book we for but with same content e dia brain kwala no and it is just like Bible. We read the Bible no understanding no eba so omu read this particular book so omu benya understanding say oh so this is how even anything
Number 1 FM.
Don't forget, say, Abosunfono, they produce results. A more result, a bantam, a thing, Uncle Pon. So, Koran better say, but me a book with the camera, but my bomb by there 10 years and buy it. Forgetting saying Uncle Pon and your magician. And everything takes process when it comes to Uncle Pon, your mama.
The next book na da so no eh 7 spears so said there.
Okay. So this particular book bema on normal mark 7.
It didn't nyina so bo de baba in school.
1 FM.
Omo de baba in school.
Anyone we beto baby e beto ma na de wo fie o.
Evangelist we na emma ye mu bi ni mo ye ahunwa ho asenya me wo no mo ampa eye hembre no ana eso. We know revelation. So I am doing an nation, and I was saying prepare the best angle.
Okay. And you share the you must have new ones no more printing no. Mama me new ones no. The you and now you about time be when you be new ones so
Number 1 FM.
And also
my new ones picture now when a chini blue, but and ye blue red so account and a yellow account. So
new ones no more better the school no.
Yes. I think the picture now when you blue because blue one pen and the picture.
Blue one be was say AC as a obi or AC baby.
Okay, so blue one and a picture a blue. Red and yellow need a picture because me na market. Many look at your mugu so more yet printing the pictures.
Wanna make us a mugu so bu say printing no.
The pattern.
Number 1 FM.
They mean business oh.
Oh yes.
And take one when you books na bi nie job printing ni bi nie. Ama keka books na de toto so ni nyina no. Ana ma printing. Em say another one bi so ho.
Ben wow.
Baby omo bless no.
Baby omo ko bless no. E ho na last year.
Ye fa ho.
Yes.
Okay.
Last stop ho no.
Enti no te say e de bad no mo de ba course be no mo de ba.
Course now mo de ba no because omo aka say aden
Number 1 FM
e wo school. And young kwala ni na omo ye ta omo ye Christopher. And moreover, Islamic no endorse it say said CRS. So this particular book is so and so the traditional way in say the other chain. Don't forget that this thing in our eco start with human rights. Young in our human rights. And you know, I will propose that you better because and you be an or sorry, and you be an or you Muslim.
Number 1 FM.
Opinion or more the king of darkness. So Sabu when you be better or more and Omo Kasa prepare or more teachers for more baby discharging.
Omo prepare more teachers.
Oh yeah, on my way.
Sadi no abenyo.
Adiana ben. Iba ende da ben, ende Monday, Thursday ni no more meeting e was Saturday. Teachers no more be yaden. Omo meeting e was Saturday. So the thing is very very close. Omo start the community teachers nka because I was saying omo started.
Number 1 FM.
This particular thing. So the thing is very very new. And you to me for the baby
etire se enkoda no nso benya omo nso e de omo nso besua no se yeso e wo se esu hu we because ye RM ya yeso ye nche so traditional one.
Yes.
We are no ne brena na aso no.
Evangelist, the bit na here for one say be bompaye na ye tufu. Na the course na the
number 1 FM.
So eno be bia we read Revelation na ni na obo.
Yes.
Yes no na esi.
Ti ye hwe the answer ye de be ye wo fia na de ye say be bobo dawuru. Na ye tufu.
The amo be ya na mogusu amoye no but kono de mo start here kwa na de mini itiechiri ba mini de amo famu so mo nua ni pa de evangelist being with me away for more than 21 days. I was telling why are there because NJ easy.
Number 1 FM.
NJ easy when they kwame the other boy no and so in fact all my team na NJ easy.
No se juba na
ejuma we na obeya and the Musa Mustafa
and now atem the dear ni ya one de ye but erade de abuafo so come out
with you mo tin yeti binumu yeti ya de omo to angwamu yesu no kwa anu ye bon asemi
number 1 FM
ya mo ye ne de munko so amoye no mo so ye omo de na embo ye emam emma de omo ye no embo mu
o ye de omo ye hu ti da de bia be ka che nyame ma se na eba but se mo ye hu akietu nka
eye no mo be ba spiritual de anka some of us yes strong enough to face them me the what as they will feel makuma for 5 maintaining that baby because the physical attack alone omo ko so anye na omo mbre so
na say yes obu be si kingdom working tampo ne Accra
omo
number 1 FM
be si omo start kra omo start and then omo headquarters was sent and working tampo but omo change headquarters na dey abagumwa Otreko
is it na no me ba radio subaka se ebeye kintampo no ene Accra say do omo change no
and omo change no e dey across central region
so omo dey cross central region ehifa
Gumwa Otreko
ahono mu kosi kingdom no
yes because ahono mu
number 1 FM
the whole Ghana ahono mu the number 1 hospital
omo konu moja
ehode moja de all mema 4 bridges I think the whole list in the
na me try ade kakra se ni nyina ka convention nti no si aka se all comfort do be bia na ye nsa be ka na aka no ha bridges omo hye accident ebe pe moja na owo nyina no ye nsa ka na nyina be release de nyame metu ye sofo no wa no koso abompa ya na stop o madwuma no eti kingdom no
number 1
omo si ba ye Christopher so de be gina ye na ready se ya boda banya nyame no ye de be gina because we need time de se be di atem me di be yo bi ko be edu se no anya atem didie eye se wo ye serious and focus e de manyame
sure
yes eti no me de se akofo be di batem on be ye me on be me but ye ma ni nyina mo munyini ye bo munyini aneda no duro twabere de so a e de be hu do e papa
aso na disia nyame som no enje gentle bi e ya bodam
sabetie
enti mama ye bodam
ti ye da base brepam ye benya wo se enkoda de enti na ye fra wi se obebie ye bi kakra de afa ho ti se no de ba bi ekọ no de e wo se nyina ye sorry aye den e se condom a omo totoku ye enuane omo che omo za de akọ ye mayi so e se ge ponso e beji atum
na enje bonsam na nje sebi nyansa na onimu a wosi yenhye condom wo nka wo pen kwala no bebre na ade na wo maye wo monwo na nka wo mfa mu bi
number 1
bonsam no ye nipa bi a odua bancha sebi onhye mu bonsam ni nyansa wo bonsam enni yansa enti mamu man di bonsam eki bonsam oni ade pa bia ma bonsam man 5 billion and there ade tin obeji wasan ageni interest bonsam work it say banga ni tiri mode
Oma alone na the you be see atewo no
the years be see agi waji interest bonsam ni ade papa bia ma ye so bonsam wa ade papa bi ma ya nke mu bi no nka nde ye na ye bo Ghana abosan
Number 1 FM.
Tidaben ye benya wo fia.
Let's say before I meba studio me de nyoma bia mutumi de gwa kwa mu me meba let's say me ama.
Okay. Was the kwan so nye fe ho.
E kwan so nye fe kura.
Mate. Kwan so enye. Edi ye fancy ase na bripam ye be kasawate.
Mate.
So na
Katre ne wote.
Mi ami nipa ba ko pe be chia opa da. Nyame se be bo ho by why.
Kwame bibi aboko de.
Oh nyame adom bibia ye bo.
Number 1 FM.
Baby I was share the share wa o mampi.
Me ba cha me so.
Mate, all right.
Take care.
Yo.
Ate for yemfa ensia se nsem no aka ye pe shirt ni bi ye benya shirt ni se ate for moment time ni nkomo mi wi a na mpani for mo ba mo so pe obani sa fe de won ma me fa o mic no ensi
Yeah. Essence yeti sim. Ye be tiesim.
afi won ba bi a
On say eno a Christopher te Ghana hanye. Won there be so can say a Christopher is serious not to say open so ka wiase nyina. Ba ye Ghana ni etimi di offer ye bampi unu mampi. Ampi ni ebo. Any pilolo ye di pilolo. Sikani brinti you. Sikani bri we person twini nyaba fom no cost
se betoka
but say onim say nyame na page ni pa
won kasa
ankon kasa
se na no aka no
what I say na yenya sense hu eti kuma say di hwe business demon business what I say
se buruso
me say na na etimi editeme say aban enko lockdown
but Christian cannot determine
enyawa
about to kasa bi enko asori dem ye
tiche enyawa wo de hwe on say Daniel enye nkofuo bi e pa Daniel ena ekwo wo hinchen say omoma lockdown no bi amonyam bi adi ena Daniel fo na banso ekobo mpaye what as enu na asi enu na abai mo de montena ho na ye say ye mani wi a ye betre enchima de on babaye what I say what true say obubu wotini nyina soa edie be na wotini beye I think some 11 verse was say obubu wotini nyina soa edie be na wotini ni beye eti senkole yesa o ma hwe buku na guoyo buku eneguo yi ya becha abayema esase ye so de Ghana fo ye pebibia free tiwe make obi didi matem na abedi di matem awie na baba twendade oba odo be sacrifice odo ba akoche na so de wapi ho ma yensu nyansa